Joy. I don't have a question. Whoa, it talks now. Whoa, it was so nice. Hi everybody. Today I am gonna film with these cute birdies. And do you remember that I filmed with the owls? Do you remember? Now I'm gonna show you how the birdie talks and swings by itself. So first I'm gonna show you how it talks. Alright? Whoa, it talks now. So cute. Okay, let's see how it goes by itself. Can it go? Come on. Whee! Said something. What was that? Okay, let's see if we can. Come on, birdie, can you swing? Okay, are you gonna swing now? I took your seat. Okay, let's see if it swings. Come on, birdie, are you gonna swingy? Come on, swing, swing, swing. You're swinging. Okay, let's see if it swings. Swing, birdie. Alright, it said I'm going to swing, and let's see if it does it again.
You're not bananas.
Okay, just swing on your own. Come on. I'm just gonna push it. Wee, wee, wee. The birdies go. Do you want more faster than? Okay, are you hungry? Do you really want to swing? Whoa! Okay, let's just put it to eat. Let's see if it's hungry. It is hungry. Let's just move this out of the way. Okay, that's enough eating for you. Okay, no. And now let's see it stay right here. Let's see it. Come on.
Talk to me. I'm a copycat.
You are a happy sack? Okay. Whoa. And you can even hold it like this. Okay, let's just put this stick back over here. There's some lines here, so you can put it back. Come on, Sticky. I'm your best friend. Okay, let's see if it eats again. Again, it's hungry.
Let's eat.
Alright, that's enough. Now let's see if it swings. Now, come on, birdie. Why are you not swinging? I need to push her again.
Hey, you want the I get it. You're a copycat.
You're not a copycat. Okay, let's just swing it here. Woo, woo. Okay, let me guess. You're hungry again, right? Okay, now let's put him to the fill. Let's see if it's hungry again. How many times it is hungry? Now let's see if it wants to stay here. Can enjoy the view here. Come on. Okay, that's super funny. Okay, is it the other way? Is it the other way of it? The other way, I think? Yes, it is. Dancing! Okay, birdie. Yes. You can play with these shells. You can play with these shells. Here, I'm gonna knock some down for you to play with. Okay, here's some shells to play. Okay, you said woohoo, and now you're not. Okay, you're hungry again, right? It's gonna eat. Okay, the dancing is so much fun. Okay. Now let's see it enjoy the view. Okay, put it right here. What happened? Whoa. Okay, let's see it dance again. Come on. I don't have a question for you. I don't know. Let's just see. Okay, let's put it here and let's see it dance again. Okay, that's super funny. Okay, the bird is dancing. Can see you later, bird. Okay, now does this talk? Yes, let's turn it on.
Watch out! I think I'm about to start freezing.
Okay. Yes. What? It says 2 times? Just say. Okay, let's see it if it just. Come on. Okay, let's just put it here. Alright, now let's put this bird to the steak.
Talk to me. I'm a copycat.
It can eat.
Yo, here you go.
Whoa! Okay, let's go. We're going. Wee. Okay, that's enough. Let's see. So you're hungry, right? No, you have to wait for our friends and then we're gonna eat together. Okay, you can just rest. You can just dance until your friends are here. Okay, let's just put it here to dance. And you can stay here and eat. I mean, you can play in the shells. Yes, we do. But I think there's no more juice. They're here. All right. Okay, birdies, stay over here. Pink birdie, you can stay in. You can stay here. You can stay here and tell the bluebird knocks. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Just turn it off. All right, bluebird, open the door. All right, I'm gonna go. Are you all here to visit? Yes, we are. Okay, then come in. We brought you a present. Okay, what is it? It's an ice cream. It does look like an ice cream, but it's a lip gloss. And when you finish this white layer there, you can put the yellow one on your lips. Oh, that's super cool. Well, come inside. Okay. And I have some shells for you to play. With right over here. Oh, this party is so great. Thanks for inviting us. Well, you're welcome. Let's see. She is gonna perform a dance for us. Okay, let's watch. Okay, all right. This is my dance. Watch me. Okay. I'm just gonna turn her on.
Hello, what do you like, friend?
Whoa, that was great. Yeah, it was great. Thanks for the dance. Yeah, it was so great. And it was like so great. Whoa, it was so nice. I can't believe that was the nicest dance ever, like in the whole wide world. Yeah, right. right, it wasn't. It was just a normal dance. Alright. So guys, did you like it? Certainly, we liked it. Ooh, no, my lip gloss. I need to get it. It was so pretty. We have some shells for you to play for. Whee! Alright, I'm gonna spill some shells on your heads. Whee! Alright, more shells. Whee! Oh, that was two. Now I'm gonna get some more. Whee! Alright, now I have some more to put on your head. Just grab all of them and whoa! Alright, this is the best visiting ever with lots of shells. Wow! This is so pretty. I like how the shells went down and they're so crystally like diamond shells. Oh, don't be silly. They're not diamond shells. I like how they're diamond crystally. You said the thing that I said. Oops, sorry. Well, it's time to celebrate. Sorry, it's not to celebrate because it's not a celebration, right? Yes, it's not actually. Does some stuffed animal want to put some lip gloss on that I bought from the store? Yes. Okay then. Only some hard things, like some toy hard things. I'm gonna give it to the birdies first because there's the hostess. Alright, birds. I dropped it down. I'm gonna get it. There. No, I dropped it down again. There, now it's standing up. Alright, who bird wants first? Me. Okay, fly down. Alright, here's the lip gloss. Put anything what you want. I mean, not anything. Actually, only lip gloss. Okay. I'm gonna do it. Right, Alright, I'm gonna stay here and watch you. Alright, I'm gonna take it. Don't worry, I ain't gonna help you. I just did a mistake. Well, it's okay. I'm just gonna do some lip gloss move on my on my finger, and now put it on your little peck. Ooh, the lip gloss is so shiny. Thanks for the lip gloss. You're welcome. And now, your baby bird. Alright. No, I dropped it again. I need to go here. Come on, lip gloss. There. Again. There. You can pick the lip gloss. Right. I'm over there now. You can pick. Alright, I'm gonna put it on your beak. Right. Put some lip gloss on my finger. And now put it on your beak, right? Put it here, and now your beak is shiny. Ooh, it's so shiny and sparkly. Okay, those birds look shiny with shiny beaks. They're so pretty, and they look like they're going to get a ball of those shiny pep. Alright, their beaks are shiny. Well, that's all for the filming. Bye! For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.